Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام وكذلك فتن بعضهم ببعض ليقولوا أهؤلاء من الله عليهم من بيننا أليس الله بأعلم بالشاكرين. Translation: And thus we do test some of them by others, so that they should ask, are these they whom Allah has favored among us? Is not that Allah knows well and recognizes those who are the grateful. Here it is discussed that in the world there are some wealthy people and some are poor people, and also in other characteristics some are better than the others, and this is according to the wisdom of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this wisdom is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has tested some people with others. So the people who are wealthy think that they are the superior people, and they feel that they should get superiority in every aspect of life, and they become arrogant and think that even the deen or the religion should be given to them, and whatever religion they are following they think is the right religion, and whatever deals they are making and whatever deeds they are doing they think they are the right deeds and right deals. And the people who are poor are devoid of any goodness, and they don't have money, and they cannot have the correct deen, and they cannot have the correct deals or correct deeds. So these are tested with the people who don't have the wealth, and they fail their test. However, it must be understood that either becoming a wealthy person in the world or a poor person in the world does not guarantee that one or the other is rightly guided, as the wealthy people may be misguided by thinking that they are doing everything right and they become arrogant. Those people who are poor may also be misguided thinking that they are poor, they did not get anything in this world and they will get everything in the hereafter. However, the hereafter depends on the belief in the heart and the good actions, and whoever is doing this with a sincere heart will get the hereafter. The worldly status does not guarantee someone that he or she is guided. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows exactly that who are His thankful slaves and who are the arrogants, and the arrogants will get the painful punishment in the hereafter. Prophet Muhammad said that you should try to see whoever below you in the status in this world, and do not see the one who is a higher status in the world. And if you do that, you will not be thankful to the bounties that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you. So the correct attitude is that when it comes about the worldly things, one should always see below him who is in the lower status than him, and it will make him feel that he is better than so many people. And when it comes about the deen, one should look at the higher one who has more knowledge and who has more understanding of the deen, so that he can strive to get higher status in the deen. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.